Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share my learning experience with English. Maybe some of you are also learning English, so I hope my story can inspire you.
When I first started learning English, it was very difficult for me. I didn't understand many words, and sometimes I felt shy to speak. I often made mistakes, and I was afraid that people would laugh at me. But I realized that making mistakes is a part of learning. So I tried to practice every single day. I listened to English songs and repeated the lyrics. I watched movies with subtitles and tried to follow the conversations. Sometimes I even spoke to myself in front of a mirror to practice my pronunciation.
At school, I also tried to use English with my friends, even if it was just 1 or 2 sentences. At first, it felt strange, but slowly it became more natural. After a few months, I noticed that my vocabulary was getting bigger and I could understand more.
The most important thing I learned is don't be afraid to speak. Even if your grammar is not perfect, just try. Because the more you practice, the better you become. Now I feel more confident when I introduce myself, talk about my hobbies, or share my daily activities in English.
That was my learning experience. How about you? What is your learning experience with English? Please share in the comments because I'd love to read your stories.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English practice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!